my veins and an hour I'll be okay. I pray this pain will go away permanently someday. I've seen more than I should have to. I've seen this all on my own. There's song as a poem to myself. It helps me to lay out in case of fire. Crash the glass and move on into your own. Reoccurring drowning effect entrenching my brain.